Michelangelo was not only the world's foremost sculptor, he was also a superb psychologist. You see, his own generation at first ignored him. However, Michelangelo had faith in his ability and decided to convince his critics of his work. Knowing that they were fascinated by supposedly priceless works of art that were discovered in the excavation of old ruins, he tinted one of his masterpieces and then had it buried where it would surely be found. The critics were amazed with their discovery when they dug it up. They couldn't believe it. They pronounced it a rare antique. The Cardinal of San Giorgio paid a huge sum to add it to his collection. Then Michelangelo let the cat out of the bag, and the critics could do nothing less than proclaim the genius of Michelangelo. Michelangelo knew that he had something that the people would enjoy and that would be good for them. However, getting it to them was another story altogether. You and I are in the same situation. You see, we've got something good for them, something important for our audiences to listen to. However, we have no idea what they've been through that day. Are they on their cell phone constantly? Maybe they're getting messages while we're speaking. Or are they in the middle of something? Or were they interrupted in order to listen to us? Had they had a bad day? Or do they have a lot going on after they hear us? So that leaves it up to you and me to show our audience how this is going to benefit them. Think about what your message is going to do for your audience. What benefits are they going to get from what you have to say? Maybe list 3 or 5 that you can tell in a matter of seconds. Think about them, but make them laser specific. Tell us exactly what we're going to be able to do when we're done listening to you. For instance, let's say you're talking to a group of people about getting along better. You can say, by the time we're done talking, these short 5 minutes, you're going to learn how to start any conversation, how to keep it going, and how to keep us interested when we talk to you. You'll have kind of a more magnetic personality when we're done. Do you see how this covered what we'll become, what we'll learn, in specificness? And it also said how long it's going to take. It gave us as much information as we needed. Now, I don't know if you can cover all that in 5 minutes. Maybe you would need 10. But it's up to you. You know how long you have, and you know how creative you can be. But a small word of caution is don't get our hopes up. What I mean is, don't give us benefits that we're really not going to learn. We don't want you to be the kind of person that promises the moon but can't deliver. Tell us the benefits. Let us know why we're here.